The small mystery island you might be thinking of is likely Inyef Island, Mystery Island, in Vanuatu, known for its pristine beaches and coral reefs, and visited by cruise ships. Alternatively, Socotra, an island of Yemen with unique endemic species, is famously known as a mysterious and alien place, although it is not small in size. Locally known as Inyef, meaning small island in a local language. A tiny, uninhabited island with beautiful beaches and excellent snorkeling and swimming opportunities. It is a popular stop for cruise ships, which bring visitors to the island for a day of activities. The name, Mystery Island, was given during a visit by Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip in 1974. It is located less than a kilometer from the larger island of Anitim in the Vanuatu archipelago. Socotra, Yemen, famous for its incredibly unique and alien-like landscape and biodiversity, with many endemic species found nowhere else on Earth, such as the dragon's blood tree. Nicknamed the most alien place on Earth, or the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, due to its isolation and unique environment. It is located in the Indian Ocean, off the coast of the Horn of Africa. It is an isolated island with challenging access. Inyef, or Mystery Island, is a small, uninhabited island in Vanuatu, known for its pristine beaches, coral reefs, and as a tourist destination rather than a permanent home. The island's history is closely tied to the neighboring Anitim Island, whose residents operate the market and provide services for visitors, though they consider the island taboo to visit after dark due to beliefs about it being haunted by spirits. The name, Mystery Island, was coined in 1974 by the media during a visit from Queen Elizabeth II, creating a more engaging headline. The island was developed primarily as a tourism destination, which is why it is uninhabited by permanent residents. The earliest signs of this culture in the region, including Vanuatu, appeared around 3470 to 3250 years BP, with settlement by 3000 years BP. A second wave of migration brought Papuan ancestry to Vanuatu, with admixture starting hundreds of years before the late or post-Lapita period, around 2300 BP. A third migration introduced Polynesian languages and genes, particularly in the last 1000 years, leading to the formation of Polynesian outlier communities within the archipelago. The admixture of these different groups continued after the initial gene flow began, with communities mixing within the archipelago and leading to the diverse languages and cultural patterns seen in Vanuatu today. Long before the whispers of foreign ships graced its shores, there existed a remote island in the northern reaches of Vanuatu, known to its inhabitants as Ambai, or in the old tongue, Lepers Island. It was a place where the veil between the seen and unseen was thin, and the echoes of creation gods resonated through every rustling leaf and breaking wave. The people of Ambai held sacred the tales of Tagaro, a creator god who shaped the islands and gave form to the mountains, rivers, animals, and humans. Tagaro, a trickster and wise god, taught the people how to live in harmony with nature and how to cultivate the land. Yet, Tagaro was not alone in the work of creation. His 12th brother, Suk Matua, shared in the endeavor, but whatever he did was wrong. The name, Mystery Island, was not its original name but was given to the island in 1974 by the media to generate more interest in a report about Queen Elizabeth II's visit. Locals from Anitim Island believe the island is haunted by spirits, leading to a taboo against staying there after dark. The island is home to a grass airstrip, the Mystery Island Airport, which primarily serves the neighboring Anitim Island. The island's culture is centered around tourism, with locals from Anitim Island coming to the island on days cruise ships visit. Visitors can enjoy activities like snorkeling in the protected marine reserve, relaxing on the beaches, shopping at local markets, getting a relaxing massage, or having their hair braided. The markets offer local crafts and produce, allowing visitors to buy souvenirs. The belief in haunting spirits is a significant cultural aspect for the people of Anitim, making Inyef a place to be respected rather than lived upon. Prehistoric human settlement in Vanuatu began with the Lapita culture, whose earliest presence dates to about 3000 years before the present, BP, as indicated by early Lapita skeletons found at the Teauma site. These first settlers had predominantly East Asian-related ancestry and were part of the broader Austronesian expansion into remote Oceania. Later, a second migration introduced Papuan ancestry into the islands, followed by a third migration that brought Polynesian languages and genes to some communities within the last 1000 years. The first humans arrived in Vanuatu as part of the Lapita culture.